Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to study for a test Gohar only way. Start by mapping topics, set study blocks with breaks, and prioritize weak areas using active recall and short, timed quizzes every day. Create a simple schedule with 45-minute sessions and 10-minute breaks, review notes each evening, do at least 2 full mock tests per week, get good sleep, and use flashcards for quick, repeated retrieval practice. Warm up by explaining topics aloud as if teaching someone, which quickly reveals gaps you can fix. Pair that with spaced repetition and short, regular review sessions to lock in material. Add timed practice tests to simulate exam pressure and improve pacing. Rotate topics to avoid burnout and keep a simple checklist to track progress so you arrive at the test calm, prepared, and focused. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical study tips and strategies. Quick recommendation. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker to set timers, play focus music, and keep study flow smooth. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Set up a reliable study environment with your notes, key formulas, and a clear timetable to reduce decision fatigue. Silence phone alerts, use a focused soundtrack if it helps, and switch between active tasks to keep momentum. Maintain routines like consistent sleep and short walks to boost recall and mood. Small comforts and steady habits can make study sessions more efficient and less stressful overall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.